Uh, welcome. We are going to be looking at ways to break down a TDA prompt. There's going to be a way to do it. First, we got two red dots. Those are going to go on the prompt. Then we'll take a moment, we'll take our purple dots, they'll go on the text. And then finally, we have an orange dot, and that'll go somewhere useful on the picture that's meant to go with it. Let's take a peek. All right, so over here is our prompt. So let's grab these two red dots and place them above the prompt. There are my two red dots. And what we're going to do is find two important parts using those red dots. Let's take a second look at the prompt. Reading can become a very personal and meaningful activity. Examine the speaker's feelings about reading in A Poem from My Librarian, Mrs. Long. Use evidence from the text to support your answer. Wow, let's use one of the red dots together and then you can use one of them individually. Me, I noticed that it mentions personal and feelings. So for me, it seems like feelings are going to play an important role when I'm writing my essay. So I'm going to take this red dot and put it on that important word, feelings. Please do the same. Now, where are we going to put this next red dot on the prompt? Please take a moment, and I'll whistle a quick song to place this red dot. Excellent. Now, let's go ahead and review the poem itself. And we're going to use these two purple dots. We'll put them up here next to the word street. Take the two purple dots, put them next to the word street, and let's see if we can't find a useful part of the poem that we might write about. There was a bookstore uptown on Gay Street, which I visited and inhaled that wonderful odor of new books. Even today, I read hardcover as a preference, paperback only as a last resort. Well, if you need to know the difference between a paperback and a hardback, you need look no further than Mr. Surface's library. However, what do you think would help us examine the speaker's feelings about reading in a poem from my librarian? Well, are there any feeling words here? There certainly seems to be at least one, and that would be this word wonderful, right? I have a wonderful feeling.
Daddy, why you have the PJs on?
Why are my PJs on?
Mm-hmm.
Because I woke up early to do this work. Now I'm going to get back to it. What I'd like everybody to do is this. Please take a moment, and I would like you to find a place where this purple dot could go on another useful part of the poem. Please take a moment to do that now.
Daddy, can I tell you something?
Hmm? What?
Can I get a big one like you and mommy?
What do you mean?
I'm get a big one like you and mommy.
Like a computer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mommy and I use our computers for work. All right. So once you're gainfully employed after college, finally we have our orange dot, and we have a picture of the actual bookstore from the town that Nikki Giovanni grew up in. It looks very modern now, but this would have been on Gay Street, just like it says in the poem. Find a part of the picture that you feel helps to answer this question, how the speaker feels about reading. Take a moment and find a little spot in that picture that you think captures that. Good luck with your TDA today.